Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today's video is She Modern unboxing. Going right on into the box. I placed an order. I was really interested in testing out the sticky stamping polish from She Modern, and Tina threw in a bunch of really awesome goodies, and I thought I would go ahead and do an unboxing. Honestly, I'm not sure that I know exactly how to use all the products, but I guess that's part of the fun, is figuring out how to use it and to incorporate it into a beautiful manicure. I'm really excited also to use this glow-in-the-dark pigment powder, which I do test at the end of this video. I wanted to test basically the sticky stamping polishes as well as the glow-in-the-dark pigment powder. So I go ahead and show everything that was sent to me. And thank you once again. Amazing at all. I am amazed at all the beautiful products in this box. This color right here is spectacular, as you'll see in my testing video. I'm going to put on some music. And thank you for stopping by, thank you for watching, and thank you for your support. Wow, what a fantastic pickup. I am so impressed with this. It didn't stick well. This is a new mat that I didn't clean before trying this. I really should have put down a layer of like a sticky base coat or something on the mat. But I decided to go ahead and redo it on this sticky roller. And you'll see how wonderfully these stamp. I'm quite impressed with these, and I'm very excited about them. Quick note at the end, I use the white, and I stamp it on the scraper, which was obviously brand new. You just saw me take it out of the package. However, I didn't clean it first or put down a sticky layer as mentioned. So even though I got this phenomenal pickup, it was the placement of where I was trying to put it that wasn't going well. So it wasn't the sticky stamping polish at all. It was the base that I was trying to stamp it on that was the issue. My final thoughts on all of these is they are spectacular. A little bit goes a long way, and I'm very excited to see how they perform on my future manis. Once again, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day, and we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks. Bye.